Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. Today's song is on the ukulele and it's on Heaven by Pink Sweats. So I'm going to start off with learning the chords here. So first chord is going to be an E. Second chord is going to be a G sharp. You can play so this is a G, moving it up is a G sharp, but you don't play the top string. So just those three, or if you can do the bar chord. Next chord we're going to use is a C sharp minor 7. And last chord is going to be an A. So just those 4 chords there. So now the strum pattern for it is just down strums. It goes 1, 2, 1, 2, there's also a part where it goes. Now that one's actually, you can do C sharp minor 7, or you can do C sharp minor, which is just the 3 bottom ring finger at the top on the 6th fret of the top string. So I go. Then back to the, sorry. Okay, so you're going to hear, that's going to be in the beginning of the song and then somewhere in the middle right before the chorus. But I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.